Thermal scan confirms optimal moisture levels in sector gamma.
Acknowledged. Germination rates are exceeding projections.
Look at the thermal fluctuation on sector gamma.
Acknowledged. Moisture levels are stable. Germination rate is optimal.
The nutrient levels on tray 7 are stabilizing.
Confirmed. We are seeing accelerated growth compared to the Earthside control group. Increasing flow rate to sector gamma. Regulators online?
Confirmed. Smooth transition. Nutrient levels stable.
Initiating spectrum shift from blue to red wavelengths. Growth metrics are optimizing.
Confirmed. The gourds are responding well to the 660 nanometer cycle.
The O2 levels are spiking higher than projected. We should cross-reference with the moisture data.
The gourds look perfect, ready for shipment.
Agreed. The aeroponics are exceeding projections.
The gourds go in rack 4, slot 12.
Confirmed.
Logging the shelf life now.
Growth cycles are stable, oxygen contribution is peaking.
And the yield success is confirmed. We did it.